Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can hide your subscribers list in the Instagram app. Please subscribe to our channel, put your likes, write comments. Let's get started. First of all, we need to open the Instagram app. Here we need to go to our profile. Then in the top right corner, we click on the three bars to go to the menu. Here we select the first item, Settings and Privacy. Next, we need to scroll a bit. Here we find the Account Privacy section. As we can see here, it says Publicly Available. By going here, we can disable this feature. As you can see, it's currently disabled. That means that absolutely everyone can see my photos, my hashtags, my list of followers and subscriptions. If you don't want your information to be public, then you just need to click on this button. Agree? And that's it, now we're out. Refresh the page and now your information, that is photos of subscribers, subscriptions, videos, reels, your hashtags, location, and so on, will only be able to be seen by the people who are subscribed to you. Well, if you want to hide that information from a particular person, then there's only one way. You need to go into your subscribers. Then you find the person you want and just delete them. We've deleted that person. Now when they come to our page, they won't see any information about you. This is an easy way to hide the list of your Instagram followers, if you want to do for a certain person or for all Instagram users. I hope this video was useful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Put your likes, write comments. See you later.